Do you ever feel stuck choosing between work and taking a break? In today's English conversation, two friends talk it out, and one of them makes a surprising decision. Stick around and learn how real conversations can help you improve your English in a fun, relatable way. Hey, are you still thinking about skipping the trip next weekend? Yeah, I don't know. It just feels like too much right now. I've got a lot on my plate. I get that, but you've been working nonstop. A weekend away could actually help you reset, I guess. But there's still that report I need to finish. You've got almost a full week to work on it, and you always get things done early. This trip might give you a boost to tackle it better. True, but I hate leaving things half done. It stresses me out. Totally fair. But remember last time you said that and then regretted not going to that concert? Yeah, that's true. I still think about that night. Exactly. This trip isn't just about fun. It's about giving yourself space to breathe. You deserve it. You always make things sound so reasonable, man. Just looking out for you. Life's short. Take the break, enjoy it, then crush the report when you're back. All right. I'm choosing to go along with what you're saying. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.